Hi, my name is Gabby Roberts and I co-own One More Row Woodstock with my mom Maria. And I'm here today to tell you about how much we love Cirro from the Fibre Company. So Cirro has alpaca, cotton, and wool, and it makes a great lofty, fuzzy base, especially if you, like me, live somewhere warm like Georgia. We've got tons of colors. They have a great range. They've got colors that come with a black base, and they've got colors that come with a white base. And as you can see here, this is my Heard It Through the Grapevine pullover, and it's got a great stitch definition in the yarn. It's got wonderful fuzz, but also has just enough interest to really keep your project going. We have we've made sweaters, we've made hats, we've made shawls, and it really is one of our favorite yarns to work with. So if you haven't, don't walk, run.